So we're going to go ahead and do our eyes with these two products that I picked up from ColourPop, and that is the Dream St in collaboration with Kathleen Lights. Both of these are in collaboration with Kathleen Lights. She's a YouTuber. And this is how the palette looks like. It has all these beautiful colors. And it doesn't have a mirror, but that's fine. And then it has the names on the back of the palette. And then I also picked up these ones. These are their Super Shock shadows, and she made a collection with them, and it's called Where the Light Is. And they're just in these pretty awesome containers. Like I said, I've never tried any of their products before. Any of their eyeshadow products, so this is how their Super Shock shadows look like. And you just twist off the cap and it's just pressed in there, and it comes with 4 shadows, and I believe there are 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. 2 mattes and then a satin and an ultra glitter. So we're going to go ahead and use colors from the palette and also these individual shadows here. And the first thing that I'm going to do before I put any of these eyeshadows on, I'm actually going to prep my eyelids with the matte Pink Pot in Soft Ochre. And then after that, I'll go ahead and start with the shadows. And I'm going to go ahead and set my eyes with the Glow Super Shock shadow. And it's just a matte white, something that I generally set my eyes with. And like, the formula is so weird. The formula is crazy. I'm just gonna go in with my finger and set it down. Put this all over the lid. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the palette for our transition colors. And I have a look in mind, and it involves these blues in the palette. So let's get on in. I'm going to go into Shooting Star, which is this one. And I'm just going to be blending this in my crease for our transition shade. And I'm just going to get a little bit more and focus that on the outer corner and on top as well, towards the brow bone. Slowly going into the inner corner. Okay, and then just to deepen up the look just a little bit more, I'm going to go in with this color and put it underneath, a little bit lower than where I put our first transition shade. Oh yeah, I put a little too much. And I'm focusing it on the end, the outer part, and then slowly gonna blend it in. Wow, this is a beautiful color. I love this color. Okay, and then after they are blended out, we're gonna go ahead and use this beautiful teal blue color and put that on the lid. Okay, so I already did this eye, just so I can finish a little bit quicker. But we're gonna go ahead and, like I said, we're gonna use the blue. And I'm using a shader, flat shader brush, the E58, and going in with that blue. And I'm gonna go ahead and carve out my eyelid with brush here. And trust me, at first it's gonna look a little messy and muddy, but once you blend it all out and layer the colors on, it's gonna look radiant and creamy, just like the other side. So just kind of, you want to go, at least for me, I go above where my eye folds just because I don't have a big lid space. So you can see it even when my eyes are open. And then once the whole lid is filled, I go in with my finger and then pick up some more color and really pack it on with my finger as well. So I get that true blue color, that true teal color. And then I go ahead and blend it out with my same brush. So I'm going to go ahead and blend it out using the color Potion and the color Spark. So I'm going to go in with Potion and just start blending out the edges of the teal color so we can get a nice gradient effect going on here. And then now I'm going in with Spark. And then I'm going to go in with a clean E40 brush, which I have somewhere around here. And then just blend out the edges so all the colors aren't so harsh. And again, this doesn't have anything, I'm just blending everything out, because we're going to go back in and apply some more of that blue color again. And then this time I'm going to go ahead and add this nice glittery blue. It's called Mermaid Boy. Perfect. It's a perfect name. And I'm just going to go ahead and use my finger. Oh, that is so beautiful. Especially, I'm sure it looks beautiful on its own, but especially putting that teal color underneath, it really makes it stand out a lot more. So we're going to go ahead and just blend again. I'm picking up a little bit of Potion and Spark, those two colors that I was using earlier to blend the blue. Just using a little bit of that so I can kind of mesh the two colors now. And I find that it's easier to blend glittery shadows versus matte shadows, because when the glitter disperses when you're blending it, it just helps it blend more easily instead of a matte eyeshadow. That's just in my preference and what I've noticed. I'm going to pick up a little bit more of the glittery shade and just place that all over my lid. And I'm getting a little bit of fallout, but that's okay because somehow I'll clean it up. And then that's pretty much it. That's the eye look that we're going to do using the palette. I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara. Alright, sorry guys, I was like losing sunlight in the room. So this is a finished look. I went ahead and put Taurus on the outside and then Aquarius in the middle to make this lip combination. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know anything else that you guys might want to see. If you guys want to see more looks using the palette, more looks using the single shadows, more looks with the different lip products, I'm definitely going to do a lip swatch of all of the colors that I got. but I'll do that in the next video. And I also have another palette that I really wanted to do a video on, so stay tuned for that. But if you guys liked and enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.